What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fucking video, guys. Here we are with the boy Trippy Trev. You know, when he's here, something's about to happen, you know. Crazy son of a gun. Fucking just made the hardcore purchase, man. I'm gonna let him tell you guys what he bought, because I feel guilty talking about it myself.
So for all of you that have seen my Instagram, I posted a little picture as a sneak peek. If the guys that haven't,
Instagram famous right here. Go.
no, I got a brand new carbon fiber trunk. It doesn't have a duckbill, but it's cleanest. Clean, dude.
It's
I
fucking
love
nice.
it. Carbon Creations, they're pretty good. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Shit, yeah. You guys can see he had the duckbill trunk on it, which gives it an aggressive look. Sadly, the trunk he has does not have a duckbill, but he could always put a car for a duckbill.
$1,300
For a duckbill?
for a duckbill.
Holy shit! But look at that, dude. Damn, son. Woo. That is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Dude, that shit's nice, boy. That's a big upgrade purchase right there. Carbon fiber is like the next level, you know. For those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome to Stance Addicts. Make sure to subscribe down below, give us a thumbs up, comment, do all that, share it, please. But welcome to this channel. Like always, we're just dropping bangers. Group of guys just like Stance cars, you know, modifying them to the max. But as you guys don't know, Trippy Trev here, he has the Subaru 2004 RS. For those who don't believe it. We have all the videos from the first day that he bought this car. So you guys are welcome to subscribe, because we got more bangers coming. And you guys like SRT4s. We have that one and my brother's blue one too. So, and also guys, we're gonna have another video. We're gonna be installing a goodie in this interior to make it pop, so you don't want to miss that. Our first time installing this on a Subaru. We installed one of my brother's and it's totally different than this, so it's gonna be an experience, you know. The 12mm socket. We'll just be removing these bitches. Okay guys, we got the trunk off. You guys can see it right there.
Bro, imagine this, right? Just hear me out. Just hear me out.
You can see it's crazy freaking idea.
Me, no trunk. No,
How come that one has a plastic piece and that one doesn't?
what plastic?
Ain't got no plastic piece. The end of this trunk, so whoever wants it, the part out, it will be on Facebook Classifieds and Subaru forums, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
How much lighter is that?
Dude, this thing's like a tenth of that weight.
God damn, dude.
Like literally, it's so light. I can literally just like,
Light?
it's light.
It has to be. Looks like nothing.
Right?
What do you think?
Pretty nice.
What do you
Even.
think, Flaco?
Yeah.
Flaco in the building, he's gonna give you a shout out.
What up? Shout out to the subscribers.
There you go.
For this motherfucking carbon fiber hood trunk.
Damn, that energy. We need the energy. So right here, guys, you pretty much use your OEM latch,
See how
install it on that, and just slap it on. Looks like he's not gonna use that emergency latch because if he gets locked up in there, he wants to stay inside the trunk.
I got all the air I need. I got at least 132
4
pounds
gallons,
of air.
4-gallon air tank in there.
Probably break it.
Installing the OEM latch and shit. Fully concentrated. We got Fabian in the building. Hey, what up, bro?
Hey,
Trevor. Good.
Trevor.
Ow, he popped my freaking finger. Alright guys, he had to go to Ace to get longer bolts because the bolts they came with were too short.
Hold on.
Damn, boy.
Now, gotta lift it up. Hold on.
There he is, guys. It's the first time I see him work.
What?
That's fucking long.
You think it might? Ooh. It might be too long, dude. No, I'm serious. Are you sure?
No,
It might
man.
be.
think it will.
Alright, well, let's find out. Let me put one more on the other side. Why does this shit always happen, dude? Swear to God, dude. Shit, man. All fucking time.
It should be easy, no?
Could be. YouTube makes it look easy. And we make YouTube videos. And we watch YouTube videos.
I told him this guy. He said that the videos, it looked easy. I'm like, bro, the videos doesn't show you all the freaking, you know, the parts that are
You
fucking
actually
over
need.
and shit. They chop a lot of shit off.
They do.
Dude, where's the other? Yeah, got it. Got it. It's on.
Dude, that's a...
No, it's not.
Came off, bro.
Gosh, dude.
This is the right size? I'm pretty sure you got the wrong size too, huh?
No.
You sure? Tell the viewers that you're sure you got the right size. Back for the second time. Wrong bolt.
Your fault for trusting me.
Really?
Where's the hole? There she is.
Well, you found the exact same bolts?
Yeah, he found him.
How did you not find them?
Because that guy's the one that
You
pointed it
trusted
out. I
him.
trusted him. And Fox was like, this right here is stupid. And I was like,
You ever heard don't trust no one? Yeah, bro.
I know, I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, I'm gonna show you.
Damn. You're the type of kid that would walk up to a stranger's van, aren't you, Trevor?
Well, yeah, it says free candy. Why not, man?
Free ice cream?
You know, it's hard to get free things out here
You
nowadays.
ain't fucking teach him, bro.
Yeah, the washer.
Right there.
Is he older than you?
Yeah, he is.
Damn. Damn. It's way off, bro. He said it's way off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top real quick.
Trevor's not liking that sound, bro.
Hold on.
Like I said, guys, don't ever believe that something's gonna be easy. Like this guy behind me right here. You know what I'm saying? There's always complications and stuff. Bolts don't fit, holes don't line up, and that's when you got
Take off the
big
top
ass issues.
Man, no, top one ain't gonna
Let's
work.
get it. Is it Kuna Matata? Trevor? It means no worries.
Wonderful day.
You gotta push down.
Push down.
You gotta push down. Like,
We just gotta make this hole bigger, bro.
The wrench. What's he going?
I don't know. Just walked out. He just walked out.
He's pissed.
Alright guys, I'm sorry. Trevor just walked out of the video. I don't know what's going on here.
What size is it?
People are wondering, dude.
that's the shitty part about things that are carbon fiber and with flexi or fiberglass is that when they drill the holes, it might not be precise. And right now, they're not precise. So,
From Japan?
I just think this is better.
Doesn't like the look of this, bro. Huh, Fabian?
No.
That's why he's keeping his distance.
no,
How do you feel, Trevor?
triple L.
Finally, adjustment in?
Larry. Huh?
Alright guys, what you guys have to do for him, he had to fucking
Can hit Larry?
make these holes a little bit bigger.
Like that.
Up there, make them. Yeah, we just had to Mickey Mouse it. It wouldn't fit right perfect. That one did, but not this side. But finally, guys, we're gonna close it to see where the alignment is at.
Still gotta tighten this.
I feel like it's gonna be off. Do you feel it's gonna be off?
Yeah, it's gonna be off. I can already tell it's crooked. It's like this. It's off.
Can hit Larry?
Hurry up, Inspector Gadget.
Alright, guys, you ready?
Inspector Gadget. Wait,
Don't slam it though.
Slow. Look at the gap here. Is it normal over here? No, it's kind of.
Good.
Send it, send it.
Close it.
Right.
It just shatters.
Is it close?
Nope.
It's too low, bro.
But it ain't too low.
That latch.
Go in there. Trevor,
Oh,
go
this
in
thing's
there.
gonna be way the
go in
fuck
there with that-
open.
Put your hand up there.
Where? Put your hand in there.
Like, put your
Oh,
hand
I
in
put my hand in there.
Let go. Let go.
This way. Sure, what the fuck does that tattoo mean right there?
It's an alien.
Put your hand there so you can feel it when we close it.
You need a cup.
Inside way too much.
Oh, that is? You see?
Go in there. I'll close it. Get in the trunk.
I can't get in this
Why not?
Because how am I going to fit in here?
Through the fucking trunk.
What do you mean?
Like, go through the trunk and lay in there and we'll close it.
The fuck?
Guys,
Fuck him.
this is not working out. Trevor promised it's gonna be an easy fix.
Thought it would have been fine.
Hatch's not locking or anything. We're fucked.
How am I gonna take this home?
We finally got it to close with two hands. We had to adjust this,
Wait, what'd you
this
do?
latch
This
here.
thing had room to. It was 2 down, so I had 2
So
bolts. and
we
I
have no bolts
pulled
here
it
in the
up,
bottom.
And it had
So.
like it moved like this much
Yeah.
up. So.
But so far it looks fucking clean, you know what I'm saying?
So where's the?
We finally got it done
I'm not
after
gonna put this on, dude. If it's fine
like
right there.
2 hours of struggling with it. He still hasn't put any bolts on the bottom end here. They're not lining up on this side. So. Latch was bent
It was
inward,
that bad.
so when we were trying to unlock it, this thing wasn't pushing it out, you know. But now we bent it where it's supposed to be, and then so we got it good. So check it out when it closes. There it is.
There we go.
There it is, boys. We finally got it done. Trippy Trev is now with the carbon fiber hood.
Hood?
I mean, carbon fiber trunk.
Had a hood.
Jeez.
What's the thing?
Jeez. What do you think?
It looks good.
It was good. What do you do to your car?
See, this is a pain that happens every single time. The fenders was bad.
And it's still not done though.
Oh, like a third day.
But so far, close that trunk, bro. Let people see that shit. That's the trunk. Damn.
Actually looks impressive.
That shit looks fucking sick
I
though.
like that better than the duckbill.
Yeah.
It does look better than the duckbill.
Fuck yeah. Damn. That's hot. There you guys go. You guys just saw us installing this carbon fiber trunk from Carbon Creations. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. I think it came out fucking badass. Just installing took us way longer than expected, like usual. But so far, guys, this car is coming out amazing. We're still gonna do another mod to it, you know, so it's gonna be fucking sick. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked that video and enjoyed it. But like always, guys, come back for them bangers because we're dropping them hits weekly. We're trying to now. We got videos coming. I got some parts for my car. He got a couple more things. It's gonna be popping this year. Stay safe, stay positive, and like always, come back for them bangers. And we're out. Peace.